Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix control center not showing on lock screen after iOS 17. So guys, many of you iPhone user can reporting that they cannot show control center on lock screen. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what we need to do, we have to just simply open settings. And from here guys, simply scroll it below. And from here guys, you can see here face ID and passport. Tap on this. And from here guys, enter your iPhone passcode. And after that guys, just simply scroll it below. And here you can see guys, control center. So guys, just tap on this toggle and enable. Now after that guys, simply go back, and after that guys, you will be able to show your control center on lock screen. So guys, as you can see, so that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.